So let's assume that these triangles are not drawn to scale, but we do have GEL and HOP. And we know that OP is 30 and the scale factor is 3/5, but it is the scale factor of GEL to HOP. So we can't just multiply by 3/5, it won't work. So had we known this measurement right here, we could multiply this by 3/5 to get that right there, but we don't know that measurement, so we have to work backwards. We're going to take the 30 here, which is OP, and we're going to divide it by 3/5 to be able to find the measurement we want. Dividing fractions easy as pie. Flip the right and multiply. So we have 30 over 1 times 5 over 3. We can cross reduce, make that a 3, make that a 10. 10 times 5 is 50, and that is the measurement that we're missing up here, right there. So the answer is 50.